This is my backyard in Montgomery County, Piney Woods ecoregion, and I'm trying to slowly transition away from large areas of non-native grass to more native plants. Native plants are vital for a healthy ecosystem, and they provide the food and habitat for our insects and wildlife, which are also vital to a healthy ecosystem. Our native plants have evolved over long periods of time to our climate and soils to be able to grow well here. Our native plants are Texas tough. If you're interested in planting some native plants, you can find a list of native plants for your ecoregion on the Native Plant Society of Texas website, npsot.org. I wanted to show you some of the plants in my backyard. Native plants are beautiful, and give you some ideas of plants you might want to put in your own backyard. In front of you, the yellow blooms is a type of coreopsis. Blooms all summer long. Next to that is some more coreopsis, Coreopsis lanceolata, also the yellow blooms. Behind that is a lemon bee balm, or Monarda citriodora. This is a special value to native bees. They love it. Behind that is oak leaf hydrangea. It has beautiful white blooms in the spring. And over here on the side, I have some blue mist flower, which the butterflies love. It's supposed to be a fall bloomer, but it's actually starting to bloom right now. Next to that is American beautyberry, or Calicarpa americana. That has beautiful magenta berries that, well, they haven't turned magenta yet, but the birds love the berries. And I'm not sure if I told you, this is Conoclinium soelestinum, because there's several different types of blue mist flower. Behind here is, with the yellow flowers, you see that's Plains coreopsis, or Coreopsis tinctoria. In the center I have a water source for the wildlife and insects. And on this side, there's a halberd leaf hibiscus. It's not blooming right now, but it has real pretty white blooms with a red throat. It's called Hibiscus laevis. Next to that is Texas bluebells, Eustoma exaltatum. It's been gorgeous. And beside that is fall aster, which is not blooming right now. It's a fall bloomer, and it has beautiful blue blooms. It's called Symphyotrichum oblongifolium. And over here is some trailing wine cup, Elirhoe involucrata, also beautiful. And behind us, we have some Ilex vomitoria, which is Yaupon holly. I love the Yaupon hollies. They have the red berries, the female plants do, and the birds love those. Over here is some Texas lantana in the center. And I wanted to add some more, and I got some Dallas lantana, thinking that was native, but it is not. And that's why it's important to know the scientific names to distinguish between the natives and the non-natives. It's Lantana urticoides is the Texas native. Over here is a large red oak, and over here is a bur oak, or Quercus macrocarpa. If you're only going to plant one tree, it is a good idea to plant an oak tree, because they provide food and a habitat for the largest number of wildlife and insects. I have shown you a small sampling of some of our native plants, but there are many more beautiful Texas tough native plants that will look great in your yard, attract and provide for pollinators like bees and butterflies, require less maintenance once they're established, and keep our ecosystem healthy. Plant native.